Hello everyone, my name is Paulus Tesinida.
My name is Alam Kanu.
My name is Mikias Tidros, and my journey in A2SV began last year.
I've now been working at A2SV for a whole year.
I joined A2SV back when I was a fourth year student, so this was around, I think, 2 years ago maybe. And so by then I kind of was purposeless, to say the least, and I was trying to see and understand like what my future would hold for me. And I believe like after joining A2SV, I have found that purpose and I have found the community to support me in this development.
I didn't know I was going to be introduced to this new world. And this new world includes so many supportive students and teachers that I can turn my head into whenever I am stuck in a problem.
It has given me a very unique opportunity to work as a product manager and a business developer for over 10 products, which are in different phases of the product development lifecycle, as well as different sectors of the industry.
I got the chance to join the community education, where I hosted one of the biggest hackathons in Africa. And in this, I have actually got the chance like to oversee 5,000 students from across Africa compete. And I actually got to meet these people, like the finalists, especially in person, and it was such a wonderful journey. And I cannot state the valuable experience that I've gotten from this whole experience.
Thanks to A2SV, I am now a much more experienced and knowledgeable professional in my field. And I also get a chance to contribute to Africa.
It's been amazing so far, and for people who are watching this, it would mean a lot if you contribute to this cause. And thank you so much, A2SV.